Keep watching.
Hey friends, let's talk about the trim formula in Excel. So trim formula is one of the most useful formula which most people are not aware about now. So it helps to remove the space between the text. Sometimes when we are doing typing any data, so there is unknowingly there is a space left. So to remove that, you need to use equals trim and select the text and bracket open and close. That's all you need to do. So you can see now there was a 2 space between Ram Sharma, now only single space. So even before Rohit there was a space, now there is no space. So this is how you use the trim formula in particular one. Another way is to use in vlookup. How to use trim formula in vlookup? So I have already created a table here and I put vlookup formula. Due to extra space in text like Ram Sharma, there is a space, double space, so that's why it's not working. And I'm also trying to put the ID number instead of name, so it will not work. So VLOOKUP formulas have some problem. Will like example, if we don't put the data properly or if there is any space left, so the VLOOKUP formula will not work. And in order to avoid that, you could use trim formula along with VLOOKUP. So how we gonna do that? Let's see. First, insert one more column because you're gonna be putting those values in this column like Ram Sharma. Use trim formula equals, select the text, bracket close, enter, and just drag it down. So all 3 text will be pasted here without any space. Now name also you can put here. You can delete the first row which we don't need the names. Sorry, forgot one thing. You need to make sure you put those texts, you change them to simple value only. That's value. So now the trim formula has been removed, only the value is pasted. So you can delete this one, it's not for us to use. Now still if I type any ID like 56, it won't work. The reason being because I'm using ID rather than the name. So sometimes what happens in VLOOKUP, let's try it again. What we do, we use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is very simple, and then you select the column where you want to search, what you want to search exactly, and the table array where you want to search from. Column index number is counted from 1 to 3. You need address here, so which is 3, and for exact match is 0, and press enter. That's all. So it's still not working because I have put the value instead of name. I should be putting the name there, either Ram Sharma, Sachin or Rohit, one of them. Okay, let's pause for a while and we come back again. Now I'm gonna be putting the name there, so just to show you how it works. See, the Sachin stays in Electra, that's his address. Rohit stays in Asda, so that came automatically once you put that. All right, so this is how the trim formula can work together with VLOOKUP. And now we'll talk about the third, how to use trim formula and data validation. Okay, in data validation, how you can use trim formula. Example, if you're typing a text or you have anywhere you need to type your contents, but you want to avoid that there should be no extra space or there should be no wrong typing and should happen. So to avoid that, you could use trim formula directly in data validation. So how do we do that? Equals trim, or rather you could do data validation. Go to data tab, go to data validation, this is a dialog box open, search custom and type the trim formula there. Equals trim, equals, first select the column, first column where you're going to type your data, then equals trim, and again select that column, bracket open and close. You can also put error message, like you can put anything you want, any error message which will appear like wrong type. So if you type anything with extra space, so it will appear wrong type, and no extra spaces are permitted, or whatsoever you want to put. That would be your custom message which you're going to put it, and then press OK. So then you can drag it down to where you need to type your data. All right, so I'll be typing here with extra spaces, like 3 space I gave, and let's see how it shows. It shows wrong type, no extra spaces are permitted. So in that case, you are completely aware that okay, you did some wrong typing, so you can go and change it. So that's pretty much easy. This is how it works with the data validation. All right, I hope you guys got this. So if you like the video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and share your feedback, share your comments, and anything on you want me to make a new video for, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Good luck.